Wait, am I in trouble? This is my first day in New York.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Turn off the engine and put your hands on the wheel.
My vacation is a nightmare. Do you want to see why? I'm driving to my hotel. This is my first time driving here.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Turn off the engine and put your hands on the wheel. Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure. Was I driving too fast?
May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, one moment. Here you are.
You were driving 45. This road is 30. That's too fast.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I'm going to my hotel. This is a rental car. I'm checking it. I didn't see the speed limit sign.
I understand, but speeding is dangerous. It can hurt people.
Yes, I understand. I'm very sorry.
This time, I'll give you a warning.
Thank you very much.
Here is your license. You may go now.
Thank you.
Drive safely.
Okay, no more speeding. I just want to get to the hotel now. I finally arrive at my hotel. Now I want to check in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to check in.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. We need a credit card. This is for a deposit. It is $50. You get it back after checkout.
Sorry, what is the deposit for?
It is for extra costs. For example, minibar or room service. If there is no extra cost, you get all the money back.
Okay, here is my card.
Thank you very much. Your room number is 512. Checkout time is 11 a.m. Breakfast is free for 2 people. Breakfast is from 8 to 10. The elevator is on the left. Enjoy your stay. Please tell us if you need help.
Thank you. Checked in already. What is this? This is a closet, not a room.
Hello, this is the hotel front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I am calling from room 512.
I think there is a problem.
But this room is small.
Is this the wrong room? I'm very sorry. May I have your name, please?
My name is Emily.
Do you have your reservation number?
Yes, it is 090.
I'm checking the system. I'm sorry. We do not have a king room now.
I booked a king room. This is not okay. I planned this trip for a long time. I am not happy. I may write a bad review.
I'm very sorry about this. I need to talk to my manager. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting. Good news. We can change your room today. We have a king room now.
That is good.
We are very sorry for the mistake.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Someone will help you soon. Enjoy your stay.
I changed to a new room. Now I can finally sleep. Wait, why is it so hot? Is the AC on? Hello? You have got to be kidding me. I'm in room 222. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm very sorry. I will send someone to check it. Please wait a moment. Hello. I am from maintenance. I am here to check the air conditioner.
Okay.
I checked the air conditioner. It is broken. We cannot fix it now. It will take a long time. You need to change rooms.
I just unpacked my bags. Oh no! Do I have to move?
Yes, I'm sorry. We can help with your bags. I'm very sorry for the trouble. I'm very sorry for the trouble. We have a new room for you. It is room 618. It is down the hall.
I am so tired. I just got off the plane. This is not a good experience.
I understand. I'm very sorry again. Dinner tonight is free. The spa is also free.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your dinner and spa.
Room 618. I'm here. I am so tired, but I have a free dinner. Good evening, room service. How can I help you? Hi, this is Emily. I am in room 618. I want to order dinner. I also need dry cleaning. Of course, your dinner is free tonight. This is for the air conditioner problem. Okay, thank you. What would you like for dinner? I would like a steak, medium. Okay. Would you like a salad and water? Yes, salad and sparkling water. Would you like potatoes? Yes, mashed potatoes, please. And do you need salt and pepper? Yes, please. Thank you. Do you need forks and napkins? Yes, that's good. What time would you like dinner? 7:30. Dinner at 7:30. Now, about dry cleaning. What clothes do you have? One jacket, one shirt, and one pair of pants. Okay. Up tonight or tomorrow? Tonight is fine. Someone will come in 15 minutes. Okay. Do you need a laundry bag? One more hanger? Okay. No problem. Dinner at 7:30, dry cleaning in 15 minutes. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice evening. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story. Have you ever had a crazy hotel This happened to you? What would you do? This was not the end. My adventure is just beginning. If you like stories like this, don't forget to subscribe.